All right, we're gonna do a attempted repair video on this roof. Looks like there's 60, 70, 80 shingles missing. This is the 3-tab that we're gonna try to replace. You can see there's no creases or anything above it or around it. So we're gonna take this off. See, it's cutting right here already due to the condition. Alright. There. There's the nail. And there's the nails. So we took the nails out of the top. As you can see, it's still stuck because when they put this shingle on there, it also nails onto this shingle. So now you have to take these off all the way up. So now you can see crease, 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 crease. So there's 4 creases already on the one shingle. Shingle's out. Put the shingle back now. You won't be able to get these nails back in up here because they're too high from that second area, that second run. So we'll slide them back in. And we'll nail it back down. There you go. Crease, 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 and then the ones above it are creased. Non-repairable. And you can tell there's no granules, even 90% of these shingles. It's past its life expectancy. We would deem this roof non-repairable.